Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Today is the last trading session of the current week, and yesterday we said that market has formed a stop grabber here by this black candle, but as I said, I was not very fascinating with this pattern, mostly on the due to the situation on the intraday charts, because this action on the intraday charts was really fast, and that was the real concern, whether the market will have the chances to stop immediately and turn to the upside. And that's why we have said our assumption that probably market will show a bit more extended move down before any bounce up will happen. And that really has happened, and we see it right now. So market has taken out of these lows of this pattern and erased this pattern. But this doesn't mean that market can't continue move to the upside. That's really possible. The one thing that I would like to tell is that if this action will start, this will happen not due to this stop grabber. That will probably happen by some other reasons. But right now, guys, although the situation looks moderately bullish on the higher time frame charts, but right now, and in fact, we have this ABCD pattern. Its target stands very close to this current markets around 138.50 area. But as I said yesterday, that action on the current week could give us the bearish pattern on the weekly time frame chart as the stop grabber if market will close somewhere around this area and will not show the fast appreciation to the upside during today's trading session. If this pattern will appear, it will suggest the taking out of these lows, and we know that lows are yearly pivot point. Now you can imagine what will happen if market will move below the yearly pivot point. It will mean that within the year, the next destination point will be yearly pivot support one. And if you'll take a look at the monthly chart, you'll see where this yearly pivot support one stands. So that will be really, could call it some real anticipation of the direction for the extended period of time. That's why the current situation very significant for us. In a very short-term situation, so on the daily time frame chart, as you see, we do not have any patterns to trade. So as stop grabber has been vanished, so currently I do not see any patterns. What pattern we could trade here? Nothing, in fact. Trend holds bearish, and market in general still stands very tight range. So daily time frame chart doesn't assume the taking any position right now, mostly because we don't have a pattern. On the intraday charts, for instance, on the 4-hour time frame chart, here what we see, that is our move to the downside that we have discussed yesterday. When we was here, market has started to move high. I said that probably we'll see another leg down since this action was really fast. And also a lot of different target stands in this cluster, this confluence support, different extensions, and so on. That's why, guys, when I take in any position, I prefer to have some sort of the support on my back. Because if even market will return right back down and will clear out this level and continue move lower, you could see the first reaction. You always can count on the respect of such support if even overall sentiment is bearish and if even market will pass through it a bit later. But at the first touch, there is 90% that market will show the respect. It's very rare when the market passes through this kind of the supports as it now exists. Sometimes it happens, but that just tells how market's weak is. And this really happens during the significant shaking situation on the markets during the doom and gloom as it was in 2008. As you can see on the crude oil chart, that's just breaking all on its way. So sometimes this happens, but that is still, this is relatively rare. So in most cases, market will show the respect if even it will return right back down. So if you had taken the long positions here, now you can take the tight your stops and move it to the break-even area and just watch what will happen. Because I can't exclude that market really, due to the pattern that is forming on the weekly time frame chart, I can't exclude the possibility that we will not see any upward action. Market could really turn to the downside here. At least if pattern will be confirmed and it will be formed by the close of the current week, we will not be able to take the long position until this pattern will not be vanished. That's just a risk, because we know the pattern has been formed. We can't take the position against its direction until it will not be vanished. That's why this puts some limitations on the possibility to take in long position right now, except maybe if you would like to trade in a very short-term perspective. Well, trend has shifted bullish here, but really currently not significant crossing of the MACD indicator. This is mostly bullish trend by its side, but not by its sign, but not the real action. On the hourly time frame chart, what we have, that is in fact, guys, the reversal swing. So you can see this swing up is greater than the previous swing down. After that, market probably could show the compounding retracement. In today's trading session, we should watch for this pattern, this area, because this is confluence support on the hourly time frame chart, 137 area approximately. Previous swing top. Also, guys, if you will take a look at the contraction chart, you will see that this long-term support resistance area. So you could see it right here. Okay. So you can see the support, resistance, support again, support. Was resistance broken? Support was broken. Resistance again, return right back up. So you can see this not very this is really important area. And what is more significant here, we see some kind of not maybe the double top, but something that have suggested some deeper action to the upside. And market has returned right back up inside of this consolidation. Okay, that's moderately bullish sign. So personally, I'm not very fascinated by the current situation on the euro currency, and my thought is better to wait what we will see on the weekly time frame chart. If we will see the bearish stop grabber that will be completed by today's action, today's close, that will give us a direction on the weekly time frame chart, and we will start to search the possibility to take in the short position based on this pattern, because we will know where the target is, where the invalidation point, and we will need just to catch the right moment and right place where to enter short. At the same time, in the very short-term perspective, we see the bullish signs. So market has bounced up from the daily confluence support. Market shows now retracement to the support area, and if you would like to trade this situation, I don't have any objection against it. So because market really could show some upward continuation here, signs that market has returned right back up on this consolidation with this upward acceleration looks bullish. So if you would like to trade it, you could try. But as I said, the major object here is the weekly pattern. Well, and on the lower time frame charts, here on the hourly time frame chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we in fact do not have any clear patterns. We have only support resistance areas, and if you could call it the price action that shows the behavior around this area, around these levels. We do not have the butterflies, no reversal patterns. In fact, we have nothing that could tell us clearly where to place stop and what target we could get on the upward action. Okay, only the price action that currently we could say that currently looks bullish, because market has bounced from the confluence with this right acceleration. Now it will retest this support, and in fact it could continue move high. Maybe this will be some sort of the ABCD pattern to the upside or something of that sort. So if you would like to trade it, you could do this. Besides, you could place rather tight stops here, so be 20-30 pips. It's not very big risk for this trade, but as I said, our major object is the weekly time frame chart, and major object is how market will play around this possible pattern that, as I suspect, we still will see on the weekly time frame chart.